of the expression, the value of the expression they're asking. K minus 1, Ck minus 1, K, Ck minus 1, and so on. N plus K minus 2, Ck minus 1 they're asking. So let us take here N is different. N is different. Here K is there, K minus 1 is there. So what is the value of Kck minus 1? That is 1. 1 you can write as Kck. Okay, Kck. That is also 1 only. If you want, you can extend it because we want this must be same. To apply the previous formula, these two must be identical. So that make it as Kck minus 1, that is Kck. Okay, Kck. So now after that we can solve the question. Rearrangement only, we'll get the answer here. So now, so first let us take K minus 1, Ck minus 1 is 1, that is equivalent to Kck. Okay, so now this is Kck. Now this is Kck minus 1. Next you can take one more term, K plus 1. It is increasing. K minus 1, K plus 1, Ck minus 1, like that. You get here. You can generalize last thing to get the answer. So now according to property, this one will give K plus 1. See, among those greatest what? This one. Grouping these two. K plus 1, Ck minus 1, and so on, like that. N plus K minus 2, Ck minus 1. Now again grouping these two. Again next grouping, keep on doing like that. What will happen? That one. So that means what you observe here, this is increased by 1. This increased by 1. So that what comes here, K plus 2, Ck, and keep on doing N plus K minus 2, Ck minus 1 comes here. So what observe here, okay, grouping next two terms grouping. So now what happens, this will be exceed, that whatever the number this comes, that is exceed by next to n. So here what is next n will be next n this will be exceed by next number exceed by 1. So this keep on doing the terms, and previous one you can combine, this will give n plus K minus 1 plus 1. See, among those two, what is suffix K? K is the highest here. K comes here. So that n plus K minus 1 Ck. Please understand this one once again. So now K plus 1 Ck, K plus 1 Ck minus 1. That means what if you combine these two by using the property, what the property? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is n plus 1 CR. So that means n increased by 1 according to property, and among the base suffix which is the highest, that you can take it as what among these two which is the highest base suffix is r that you can take it here. So that in these two k minus 1, that gives k, and k become k plus 1 value exceed here. Now we can go to next two. So this is become first two, let it become k plus 1 ck. Next you can grouping these two. If you grouping these two, so this value k plus 1, that is both are same. Now this is equivalent to this by k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. See, among these two greatest that one. Just keep on working the work. So the same procedure formula can apply. So what you observe from this one, so the n exceed by 1. To get the right side position, n exceed by 1. Here what is n? K plus 2. Next what? K plus 3, K plus 4, like that. So last but one will comes as suffix k with some value comes here. So that means what that value comes here, n plus k minus 2 Ck comes here. After keep on what rearranging. So that means the last position will comes as n plus k minus 2 plus 1 Ck comes. That is n plus k minus 1 Ck. Just check the answer, what they are given answer. Option B. So check it. N plus 1 minus 1 Ck comes. So that's the only answer here. So option B is the right answer.